Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope people are doing well. Today we are at Ori's Serengeti at Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Well, the name Serengeti is derived from the national park in Tanzania. And the cuisine specialty over here is North Indian and Mughlai. So let's explore.
Well, I know most of you would have thought, where are we right now? As the location seems to be quite different, like never seen before in any other restaurants in Hyderabad. Especially setting up a forest environment is something really unique. Even setting up those animals makes it a kind of a forest reserve. At the same time, dining has also been a setup in such a way that it reminds us of the ancient looks. Now, when it comes to cuisine, this restaurant offers us a lots and lots of varieties as it serves us a la carte with North Indian and Mughlai speciality. And before we move towards the cuisine part, I would leave you all to look and hang around this restaurant virtually. Do enjoy it, guys. And by the way, guys, there are some important elements for a restaurant in order to run everything in a smooth way. And those elements are certain, as you know, starting from the cuisine, then service, and few other elements. But the most important one is ambience. Ambience is the thing which makes people feel comfortable. At the same time, a lot of people get attracted by seeing the ambience. So ambience plays an important role. And our review would be 10 out of 10 for the ambience in this restaurant. So these are the achievements won by Ori's Serengeti. And finally, our table is set, and here we go to the food part, starting from the starters, the Hara Bara Kebab. And trust me, guys, this dish was really delicious. It's a must if you're coming over here. And there is one more veg starter which is going to be really amazing than the one which you have seen now. And here we go, that's the cheese kurkure. So this dish was really amazing, guys, much better than the previous one. The name itself, cheese kurkure, is quite unique and it will make people want more. So it's a must if you are visiting this restaurant. And here we go with the delicious non-veg starters, Masaledar Murg ke chap. First one. The next one which you are going to see is a unique one, which is the Talwar Kebab. Talwar Kebab is an interesting name added by Ori's. At the same time, even the taste is really amazing and totally unique. One must try this. And now you people are going to see our reviews. How about you, Ishak?
And guys, he is the chef, Mr. Nagraj. And yes, we really loved it, Mr. Nagraj. The veg part, especially the harabara kebab, and this was really unique.
Cheese kurkure.
Yes, cheese kurkure. We really didn't expect this anyway, so it was too good.
Thank you.
So hats off.
Thank you. One of our specialties.
This one.
Yes.
What is it called?
That is talwar kebab, sir.
Talwar kebab. I could feel the smoky flavor
Yes.
which you're telling. This is the charcoal you put there.
Charcoal and bit of butter.
I'm sorry?
Butter, sir.
Okay, butter naan. Okay. I could feel that the whole because ये सबसे ऊपर वाला piece था.
Sir,
उसमें भी you can feel it, so I just hope नीचे वाला कैसा
it
रहेगा.
comes like this
Hmm.
to the top.
It is really nice.
you,
Very
sir.
very good. I did not really expect ऐसे ambience में ऐसा खाना मिलेगा because it was really tasty. I could legit taste the flavors in the chicken, and the smoky chicken was again it was talwar kebab. It was really great. Like I could sense the smoke in that. And Adu sir told that you have the butter also in that, so it is mixing and coming up. So that is really great. Yeah, really great food.
Thank you.
So that was our review about the starters, guys. Now starting from the Rogan Josh, which is our first main course item, then followed by Lacha Paratha, then Paneer Lababdar, then followed by Sabzi Diwani Handi, then adding to other dishes, Tandoori Roti, then a butter naan. So that's how it is plated. Overall, the veg one was really tasty, and I would urge everyone to try this. And this review is by my friend, the non-veg main course item, which is Rogan Josh. And now finally coming to everyone's favorite, the dessert part. The one on the left is Kubani Ka Meetha, and on the right is Pista Gulab Jamun. I appreciate the way they have arranged it. Very good presentation. And this is my review. Overall, yes, it was really delicious. I would recommend everyone to try this. And there are some other varieties also in desserts, which is a must. So that was our day, guys. We had a wonderful experience over here, and if you have loved this video, do like it, share my videos, and don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. In the meanwhile, stay safe. Thank you very much. And do enjoy the bloopers also, guys, which is going to come now.
You can add this in bloopers.
Sure. Minted.
This will come in bloopers, huh?
You give voiceover. Food was very tasty.
Same thing happened. I took a bigger bite. So I should just act as if I'm eating. You can't miss out,
I started.
The food is.
Oh, mashallah. Oh, sorry. The South Indian manchi undi. Baga manchi.